Being broke is rarely about income. Most people stay broke because of habits they repeat every day, habits that feel normal but quietly destroy their future. Atomic Habits teaches that small habits compound over time. And when it comes to money, bad habits compound just as fast. If you don't change the habits, more money won't save you. Today, we're talking about 10 habits that keep people broke and how to break them. This is Future You Finance. Finance for people who are done being broke. Habit number 1, living without an emergency fund. If one unexpected bill can ruin your finances, you're not stable, you're fragile. An emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It keeps you from panicking. Without it, every problem becomes a crisis. The fix is boring but necessary. Save 3 to 6 months of basic expenses, not for returns, for survival. Habit number 2, turning wants into needs. Most people don't overspend accidentally. They justify it. I deserve it. It's just this once. I'll save next month. This habit feels harmless, but it quietly kills progress. The fix is simple. Delay purchases by 48 hours. Let emotion pass before deciding. Habit number 3, saving only if there's money left. If saving is optional, it will never happen. There is almost never money left at the end of the month. The fix is to reverse the order. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings. Discipline beats motivation every time. Habit number 4, avoiding your numbers. Avoiding your bank account doesn't protect you. It delays reality. Many people stay broke because they refuse to look. The fix is awareness. Check your numbers weekly. Not to judge yourself, but to take control. Habit number 5, it's just a small amount. Small spending feels harmless, but small leaks sink ships. Daily habits decide your future, not big one-time purchases. The fix is to audit recurring expenses. Subscriptions. Small habits. Quiet leaks. Cut what doesn't matter. Habit number 6. Waiting for motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Life doesn't wait until you feel ready. People who build wealth don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. The fix is structure. Automatic transfers. Simple rules. Less decision-making. Habit number 7, investing without a foundation. Investing won't save you if your foundation is broken. Returns don't matter if emergencies send you back into debt. The fix is order. Emergency fund first. Stability second. Investing after stability. Habit number 8, comparing yourself to others. You are comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel. That comparison is expensive. It pushes people to spend money they don't have to look like people they don't know. The fix is focus. Compete only with your past self. Progress beats appearance. Habit number 9, having no financial identity. If you don't decide who you are financially, you'll copy everyone else. And most people are broke. The fix is identity. Decide this clearly. I am someone who protects my future. Identity drives behavior. Habit number 10, expecting fast results. Wealth is built slowly. Broke habits want speed. People quit too early because they expect quick rewards. The fix is patience. Consistency compounds quietly over time. You don't need more money right now. You need better habits. Your future isn't decided by luck. It's decided by what you repeat every day. Small changes today create a future you won't regret. This is Future You Finance, finance for people who are done being broke. Subscribe if you're ready to stop struggling and start taking control of your future.